Right guys, welcome back to a cooking video. Oh my god, what's going on? Right, today, and this is a video of, what you can do at home. So it's not going to be, oh, it's all chefy and all that. Because today I'm going to be using a sauce. Comes with some kind of, with the herbs as well. So, chicken curry basically. Have chicken, peppers, onions. I've got olive oil in there. Right, let's get chopping. So we are going to do the veg first. I don't want to use that actually. No right way of doing these, but yeah. Anyway, let's just do it. Depending on how you like it, doesn't matter, really. I like to chop it up. Bish, bash, bosh. There we go, nicely chopped. I'll just do one onion. Put any veg in this, it doesn't really matter. Top, tail. I know a lot of chefs will be like, no, you can't top and tail an onion. Well, I can and I have. So there we go. Let's go. There we go. Right. I'm gonna put this in a bowl and then we'll do the chicken. Chicken, also available in other supermarkets, right? I like to just keep it rough and chunky, really, depending on how you like it. Cut into cubes. There we go. About a centimetre each, really. Into cubes. Whatever you want, really, doesn't matter. I say I'm making a lot here, but I'm going to freeze some of it down, and it's meals for the next couple of days. So yeah, it may seem like a lot, but I'm actually preparing ahead. So there we go. Right, I'm gonna wash my hands. We'll start cooking. We have guys. We have the peppers. We have the chicken. I've turned the stove on. Olive oil in the pan. So basically with this, you'll cook your chicken off first. Nice colour to it. Cook it out. Then add the spices. Cook that with it. Add your veg. Then add your sauce. Bob's your uncle. Doodah's your doodah. Basically. Alright, I don't know where that came from, so I'll just wait for that to heat up. And we shall get on with it. Time to add the chicken. Oh, we go, chicken's on, cooking. Oof, damn son. Yeah, we get some good colour on that. And then we'll add the peppers, rice, and the onions, and then we shall add the spices to it. Should take a couple of minutes to just do this. Right, I'm going to add the peppers now. With vegetables. Nice. Nice. Then we'll cook them out. That intensifies the flavour by cooking the water out. Right, let's do this. Now that's yeah, it's getting there now. Time to add the spice. Give it a stir. Wow, the smell's coming off this. Woo! Thanks, man. So let that cook out for about a minute or two. And then we'll add the sauce. The sauce. I mean, you could make it, but this is stuff you can do at home, guys. You know, this is the Rogan Josh. Go, I'm getting there. Right, I'm going to add the sauce now. Here's a little trick with this. Add a bit of water. Come on. Just a bit. Then pop the lid on, give it a shake, pop it off, then you get whatever's left of it back into the pan. Then we give it a stir. Right, I'll turn that down. Right down and let that cook out now. Then I shall see you in a second. So guys, this is it. Cauliflower rice, so easy. 2 minutes in the microwave. This is for someone who's at home, can't really, cook much. I'm trying to not offend people, but yeah, it's pretty much. And I think this is a better alternative to rice myself, and it's a lot healthier, I think. So let me know in the comments what you think. So yeah, let's heat this up. This is nearly done, and yeah, we'll show you what it looks like. So yeah, here we go. It's in the microwave. This is looking good. Oh, guys, we had smell-o-vision. Whoo! This is a Rogan Josh, by the way. Clue will be in the title of the video. So there we go, guys. Right, cauliflower rice is out. Let's bring this over. Get some of that in here. Ooh. Ooh. I like a bit more. Guys, there is your chicken curry or chicken Rogan Josh with cauliflower rice. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.